the tornado and storm damage from last year is officially gone. What is going on? Yesterday I came out here and we finished up our beds. We figured out where all the ends needed to be. We pulled measurements and now we have a 2-foot wide path along the barn edge. We have a 15-inch path along this edge, that long edge, and another 15-inch path right here that will fill full of wood chips. And we took all the excess and we piled it up nice. We stamped all of our beds down. And this thing is looking really, really nice. And today is the day we're going to get some mulch in here and fill up all of our pathways. We'll see how far we get. Geez, there's a big old wasp right there. There's one there. What's going on is we are being infested with wasps. This side of the barn, they're all over. The other side of the barn, they're all over. Yesterday I was inside the barn in the middle. They were swarming on both ends. I was literally trapped inside the barn for a little bit. If I can sneak in here fast enough, gosh, there's one flying right there already. If I can sneak in here fast enough, get the side-by-side out and get the trailer hooked up. I can see 3 or 4 of them swarming the door right now. There's a few back here too. Okay, that was a little ridiculous. Once I got inside to come grab my mulcher, they're swarming. There they are right there. All I had is WD-40. I have no wasp spray right now. I've used it all. But this seemed to knock them down, get them to the ground, and it does seem to actually take them out. So it does seem to be working. So WD-40 will take down a wasp. I'm also gonna need my trailer. I'm gonna go ahead and snag it now and bring it out. Now watch out, there's wasps everywhere, Lacey. Back up. So this is what we're gonna be working on. We're gonna finally finish off the pile from all the tornado damage and the storms that we had last year. This is the last little bit of it that I purposely was saving because I knew I was gonna wanna create a bunch of mulch. Today, we're gonna tackle this and hopefully get rid of the entire pile. So I'm gonna dump this off here and then we're gonna head up to the barn quick and then we will go grab the trailer and we'll be all set to mulch. Alrighty. Okay, so I did run this a couple times over the winter to make sure everything just stayed nice and fresh and the battery stayed well, so we should be pretty good, I'd imagine. All right, we have our first wagon full. Pretty big dent in the pile, but there is still a lot to go. So we're gonna go and run this up to the garden, get some of this spread out. So what I think I'm gonna worry about is trying to get these edge paths and the front path first and not worry so much about this 2-foot patch on the back, because we're supposed to get rain in a couple days, and I feel like if I can get these filled in and the bottom filled in, everything does slope a little bit down that way. I'm hoping it'll kind of help hold it in, retain it, and nothing gets washed out. This side, I can always fill it in another day, but then again, not sure if we're gonna have enough mulch from that pile down there to actually complete this or not, so we'll find out here shortly. So I was thinking the easiest way might just be taking a 5-gallon bucket and filling it up and dumping it. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up for you. Ready? There you go. And just toss it right along inside there. There you go. All right, we basically got 2.5 of the lanes done with 1 load of mulch. So we've got a long ways to go. We're gonna head down, do some more mulching. All right, round number 2. All right, another full load, ready to go. And it is getting hot, sweaty. Yeah, not ready for summer yet. All right, we're gonna try from this side. We can bucket and walk it straight up the lanes rather than trying to jump over every time. Another 2.5 rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty well. We'll probably top them off later once we're done, but we still got a long ways to go. We got about an hour and a half till sunset. So we got a little bit of time, but that pile is dwindling. I think we'll probably get 1 more full load out of it, and then we'll have to figure out where my next pile of limbs are coming from. These have got to be probably my favorite favorite ones the most. They're so long. It's just something satisfying. How about feeding that? Well, the pile is pretty much gone. We got just about a full load. Not quite, but close. But yeah, we're out of sticks. So the last of the tornado and storm damage from last year is officially gone. So yeah, and this is only gonna get us probably a couple more rows of the 13. So we're gonna be like half done, maybe. Well, this is officially the last bucket of mulch for this evening. We are out of limbs and brush to mulch. We just emptied the trailer. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just over 6 of the lanes complete and all the fronts also complete. So we got pretty far, and that was only 3 trailer loads. So really, if I had 4 good trailer loads more, I'd finish this off and have a nice top layer to kind of bring that level up to where I like it at. But it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you all next time. Later.